Bismillah Rahman Rahim. This is Muhammad Ikhlaq. Today we are going to talk another topic. As we have already discussed that we are all the language geeks because we think about the language and its complexity and we analyze any language through the lens of linguistics. Those persons who keep themselves busy in the language study they are called linguists. And linguists are like a language police who check that everyone is using language in the right way or not. So, linguists know a lot of things about the language, but there are still many problems in the language which are not solved yet. And to find the original language is one of them. And many theories have been proposed related to this issue, and few of them we are going to discuss. Number first source is divine source. Many societies have perception that the language is a gift from the God, means it is given by God. And Hebrew, Arabic, and Latin languages are claimed to be the language of God. In the context of Bible, it states that God created Adam and taught him language. Means Adam was created with language. It is our same perception in our Islam. And in the context of Hinduism, it says that the language came from the Saraswati, and she was the goddess of knowledge, and she was the wife of Lord Brahma. In the context of Egyptian, the source of language is Phoenician, and according to the King James, the source of language is Hebrew. Means to say, these are the different sources have been proposed regarding the origin of language. Number second source is natural sound source. It simply states that the language is a result of onomatopoeia, and many theories have been given to this assumption. Number first, Bobo theory. This theory has idea that the language is developed from the imitation of the natural sounds. Means it started when our ancestors imitated the natural sounds, and those sounds are called the onomatopoeia sounds, such as meow, cuckoo, bang. These are the natural sounds. Second theory is ding dong theory. This theory has idea that the language began when humans started naming the objects and after the relevant sound that was already involved in their everyday life. Such sounds are called the boom, crash, onyx, and these sounds represent the sounds of certain objects. The third theory is a Lala theory. As we know that the songs have a emotional power and they put the lot of influence impact in our mind. So Lala theory says that the language comes from these such sounds which are associated with love, singing, and playfulness. Another theory is Popo theory. It simply states that the human language is emerged or developed from the emotional cries of the pain, pleasure, and surprise. The last theory is Yo Hi Ho theory. This theory has idea that the language came from the sounds which which we produce during our work, during our hard work. For example, whenever we lift anything which is very heavy and we produce the certain sounds, and those sounds are called the natural sounds. So, means to say, the language came from the such sounds that we produce during our hard work. So, these are the certain theories which are related to the natural sound source. Thank you so much.